Hello again. Let's practice our coding skills with another CODEWARS kata. Today we have a 6Q find the odd int. Given an array of integers, find the one that appears an odd number of times. There will always be one integer that appears an odd number of times. Okay, example. 7 return 7, 0 return 0, 1 occurrence. Okay, let's think about it for a moment, and after the break I will show you one of the possible solutions to this problem. Okay, we are back in the CODEWARS console and let's try to solve it. So to do it, we should go through each of the elements, count them somehow, and then do a modulo operation on that to find if you can divide it by 2. And then find if it's even or odd. So let's do an array. Let's do a find method on that. And for each item in the array, let's do also a filter. And let's do that. Each element will equal item. And then let's do a length on that. And from modulo 2. So, and let's return it. So, generally, we will go through each individual item in the array. Let's take one of the examples here. So, if we will go through that, we will firstly go to 1. And for the 1, we will do a go and filter through all this array and see how many occurrences of 1 we have. We will have 2 occurrences, so we will get back from filter an array of 2 elements. We will divide it by 2 and it will be 0, so it will be an even number. We will go to, it's not a very optimized solution because we will go one more time to 1 and we will do the same operation for it. Then we will go to 2 and we will go through whole the array and find only one occurrence of 2, and then we will divide it by 2 and we will get 1, so it will give us an odd number. So let's try if it works. Let's do a test and let's do a final attempt. And hey, it's one of the correct solutions. For sure you can reach the same goal in many different ways. See you next time.